Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be discussing about Blokada and let's see if it's still the best privacy application in 2026. So let's find out. So first is Blokada is a popular ad blocker and privacy application that helps protect your data by blocking trackers, ads, and malicious domains. So unlike regular ad blockers, it works system-wide, meaning it filters the traffic from all the applications, not just your browser. Now, in 2026, Blokada offers features like DNS encryption, VPN mode, tracker blocking, and real-time analytics. So the interface is very clean and beginner-friendly, making it easy to turn protection on with just one tap. So let's talk about the performance. So performance-wise, it runs smoothly without slowing down your device too much. However, some advanced features require a premium subscription. So you really have to pay an amount before you get and experience the premium feature of the application. So the question is it best privacy software in 2026? Now, if you want simple, effective protection with minimal setup, Blokada is definitely worth considering. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!